Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by recovering active milk kefir grains and their fermented milk. They contain diverse microbes you will adapt. Once done, gently strain 2 cups to isolate grains, then rinse quickly with non-chlorinated water if the curd is dense to remove excess milk. Prepare the sugar water. Dissolve 1 cup sugar into 4 cups filtered, room temperature water. This creates an osmotic and energy environment the grains can colonize. Act now so the microbes stay lively for transfer. You will now move the grains into their new medium to select for water-adapted species. Put the strained grains into the prepared jar with sugar water, leaving headspace for CO2. Metal can react, so use glass and a wooden or plastic spoon. Cover with a breathable cloth to keep out insects while allowing gas exchange, and ferment at 20-25 degrees C for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to swirl the jar gently twice a day to circulate nutrients without stressing the culture. You're finishing the conversion. Strain the liquid into bottles and optionally add 1/4 cup fruit or juice per liter for a 1 to 2 day secondary ferment to carbonate and flavor. Once bottled, refrigerate to slow fermentation. Make sure to return grains to milk every few cycles to maintain diversity, or repeat transfer cycles if grains look slimy or slow. If you detect an off smell, visible mold, or unusual colors, stop, discard the batch. Sanitize jars, and restart with healthy grains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.